OS2 Linux. This is week 12, April 6th. So we talked about the current term, midterm, what your grade could do. We can hold you true to midterm as long as you're putting forth a good effort, and your grade could go up. Now, participate and communicate with me, like if you can't attend or something comes up or whatever, so that I know, and your effort, as long as you're making a solid effort to do the best you can do to learn, that's the key. We want to move forward with our learning beside, what is a tough environment for a lot of people. Summer, we're looking at a lot of possible group work, maybe a hybrid during data assurance. That's the course that we have in May, and then June and part of July is the next networking course. Plus and minuses to having a lot of material in a short period of time, so we'll focus on the positive ends and work through the tough ends. Curriculum pretty much done. I have the exams are turned on, chapter 9 through whatever 18. You should have finished up the labs, so both of those exams, they're on. You can take them up to 3 times. We have a unit exam and the skills exam. I could have those ready here pretty quick, so you'd have the whole, not all 3 weeks, but a couple weeks to get those completed. So whatever we're going to do for that, I'll have ready beginning of next week. Talk a little more about sockets, that tying together an IP and a port number. Work server 2, we access that with a remote procedure call. This ability for us to be on like a PC, and we can communicate with that server, and then they can send the information back to us. So, yeah. And then we talked about file system, Windows, NTFS, master file table, and those things. Then we talked a little bit about Linux. I think everybody's using EX4, and in there we talked about the boot block, that information for booting. Super blocks has the metadata. We talked about metadata before. And then we have these INO blocks that actually point to the files. And remember, in Linux, everything is represented as a file. Talked about some terms in general, and then we all have an account on our machines. Right here in that account there should be a file that explains how all the users can access that same machine. So we're doing the test work for that, and we're documenting it. And I have a place where you can post them. Okay. And that is it.